Okay, here's the box opening of the first publicly available ZX4RR exhaust from Hindle, made in Canada. Okay, let's see what goodies Hindle gave us in this box. Here's one of the header pipes. Nice lightweight stainless steel. Here's the second pipe for this 4-cylinder engine. Here's a mid pipe, link pipe, whatever we call this. Here's a merge collector to make this all fit on the bike. It's a silencer, so we're pretty sure this bike's going to be loud and we're going to be racing it. And some tracks like Calabogie have sound restrictions. We got some packaging, some literature, instructions, some springs, a tool to install the springs. We also ordered a DNA air filter to get every bit of power out of this bike. This here is the mount for the exhaust to eliminate the foot pegs on the back. Here's what we've all been waiting for. This is the muffler. Titanium with a carbon fiber end cap. Looks very well built. This will be really nice on the bike. There's some packaging from their filters, some stickers, and we have this from Hindle and all their story on how they make these exhausts.
Here you have it. We have waited months for this release. The first publicly available Hindle full system exhaust for the Kawaski ZX4RR. We have chosen the stainless header and the titanium Evolution Muffler with a carbon end cap. A DB killer and a race bracket was added, in addition to a DNA air filter for maximum airflow. Included from Hindle is a signed card from Lang himself in Canadian Superbike. All this was ordered from my local parts department here in Waterloo, Ontario, Tri-City Cycle and Sport.